Yo, what's up? Cyberrox here for another HTML tutorial. This tutorial is number 11, and what we're going to go over, see if you're still sick, we are going to go over body backgrounds, kind of like images, and we're going to input a new input type. So let's go ahead and get started. So body, we're going to add anything, we're going to type in BACKGROUND, which is background, equals, and you can put the image name in here. So I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my file that I have all my stuff in, and in here I have an image called All I Love. Basically everything that really matters to me in life is all these pictures combined in one. But you want to right click on your image, and you want to click on properties, and type. You see right here, it's called type of file, bitmap image. So basically it's a .bmp. So we're going to go ahead and I'm not used to that, I'm used to JPG, but I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and come over here to our HTML, type in all I love, and put that .bmp. Go ahead and save this, and if I'm not mistaken, this should work and should make our website background with an image. And as you see here, it added our image. That's how to add basically an image to your website for background. As you see, I have video games here, BioShock, which is my favorite game, Big Man Upstairs, and Valdo, really cool Soul Calibur guy, and 2 rings represent marriage, you know. I'm seeing one, it kind of sucks right now, but yeah. So that's how to add a basic image to or background image. So what you do, you go in the body tag, you type in background equals quotation, in between those 2 quotations you type in the name of your file or your picture, and you put dot and whatever your file type is or your picture type is, you know, .bmp, .jpg, stuff like that. And so we got that. So let's go ahead and come over here to our style. Actually no CSS for right now. However, if you don't know CSS, then I highly recommend you learn it, because HTML is sort of a language that requires CSS. So if you do not know CSS, I ask of you, please go learn CSS. It's nothing much to learn unless you want to get detailed with it. But basically I just ask you to go to my first CSS tutorial, and I will explain what CSS does. But if you already do know CSS, then let's go and go to our style .css. We're going to go and type in h1, our squiggly brackets, and in between here we're going to go and type color, something that stands out, yellow, that really won't clash with the background, or yeah, basically to stand out so we can actually see it, because as you see here, best, right here, it's not shown. So us changing the color of it will be shown. And basically we're just going to have everything yellow so we can kind of see what's going on. So now that we've done that, I'm going to add an HR right here. Go ahead and go right below that. And now what we're going to do, we're going to create a form, FORM. And basically forms are like kind of like a miniature body tag. Whatever's in between the forms, it's kind of like it's kind of like a miniature body tag within the body. Whatever's in between those 2, you know, it does the same thing as a body tag, but it's kind of like it's in a group. It's in a group called form, you know. But you can have multiple forms and all that. But you know, form is basically just a miniature size of a body tag. But let's go and get into it. Now, what this is going to do is we are going to basically type in our regular input types. So we're going to go over here, input type equals input text. Okay, and so we're going to basically copy this and paste it. Alrighty, and we're going to save this. Come over here, refresh, and as you see here, we have multiple input types or multiple texts. But sorry, I hate being sick. We're actually going to change this one to password. So we're going to type in PASSWORD. And we're going to save this. We're going to come over here to our part 2. Should be able to type something in and nothing, or the password thing should pop up. I think I might have misspelled it. Yeah, misspelled it. WORD. Go ahead and save that. Now which one? There we go. No? Oh shoot. Text equals password. PASSWORD. Well, let's go farther into it. Name equals password. See if this has anything to do with it. We're gonna refresh this page, and here we go. I guess in the password, you gotta type in name equals password. Basically, it's that telling HTML that this input type is a password field, so it's gonna pop up, saying password. So we got our text here, and right over here, if you watch my input type on HTML, you will know why I'm putting paragraph tags on the end of it. And if you didn't, the reason why I'm doing this, so we can put something right next to it. Here's our name. And what this is going to do is, it's actually easier said than done. But for right now, let's come over here, type in P. Squiggly lines, we're going to put color. Yellow. Go ahead and save this. Come back over here, save this. And this is right here. This is why we put the paragraph. So there's something right next to it saying user name. If you want, you can get real graphic with it. Go like that. Come over here, refresh it, and it kind of looks professional. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put paragraphs basically along this. We're gonna put another paragraph here, and we're gonna type password. So yeah. So that way I don't waste up much more of your time or the video. I'm going to pause it for right now, and I'm going to resume when I am done. Okay, so I'm done. I made a few changes. I added 2 radio buttons that simply say male or female, and that's about it. And I also added a a submit button, but basically we're not going to have any use for the submit button. Now what the new input type is, we're going to type in input type equals, and we're going to put reset, R-E-S-E-T, quotation, and right next to that we're going to put value, V-A-L-U-E, equals, quotation, clear form, C-L-E-A-R, space F-O-R-M, in the quotation, and put that in there. Come over here and save this, and that is our new input type. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a username, call it Cyberox. Our password's gonna be noob. I'm male, and my real name's gonna be Michael, M-I-C-H-A-E-L. My number is going to be none your business. No offense to y'all. Alright, now, let's say I accidentally clicked on female too. So now I have no way of getting rid of it. So I'm like, oh shoot, I have to restart all over. So you click on clear form, and sure enough, it's all gone. That's just a basic thing of something called Clearform. And it was just basic input. New one I recently found, Clearform. And there we go. Alright, and that's a basic input type. Now I'm gonna come over here and see how much time we have. Yep, it's time to end this video. Real quick, I'm gonna pause the video and add one more little thing in here. So basically what I just did, I went over here to our code and I typed in, this is the main code that we were needing. It's basically create a paragraph tags, and in there you want to type in the AND symbol, which you hold shift and hit 7, and it's the AND symbol in BSP in semicolon. And what that basically establishes is it's a big break. As you see here, this par is high up, this par is low down. Now keep in mind, I'm going to copy this, but no matter how many spaces you put in here, it won't matter in HTML. We're going to say this, come over here, and as you see, it's right there. Alright, no big difference. However, if you add this code several times, then it will make a difference. Basically, it's like this is a, basically a big spreader in a way. This spreads 5 times. So every 5 times you hit enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will separate the two texts that far. The more of these you have, the more it goes down. So each one of these equals 5 spaces. Thank you for watching CyberRocks.